What's up, STEM geeks? I'm Xander from XL STEM Labs for Kids, and today we're going to be exploring technology in construction. Let's do this! STEM workers earn almost $10 per hour more than non-STEM workers. In the next 20 years, there's going to be 2 billion more people on the earth. Where are we all going to live? How is construction going to keep up? Looks like construction is going to have to use more technology to try to keep up. Like digital blueprints, drones on the job site, artificial intelligence, cameras, robotics, and even 3D printing with concrete. I think I'll go explore what type of technology is in construction. To do this, let's go to a kids' dig site. I think I know one. Dig this Las Vegas. Let's go. We're gonna be excavating! Let's do this! Don't forget, safety first. I'm here with the construction instructor.
We have the mini excavators right over here. These are a 3-ton excavator. They can dig holes, they can push in dirt, they can spin 100 or 360 degrees around, and they're quite a lot of fun to run. And also you have our bigger excavators. These bigger excavators are also, you can dig a lot of dirt with them, and they're very fast. You can reach down and pick up basketballs. They're very gentle to run, and you can very delicately, you can pick up basketballs and whatever. And over to our left, we have 2 skid steers. The skid steers, you basically sit inside of them and run them. They're kind of like a bulldozer, but they're much smaller. They're a lot of fun to run. You can pick up dirt, you can dump dirt, you can grade ground, you can make it level or make hills, whatever you want to do. And then out in the field, we have 2 bulldozers. The bulldozers are basically for pushing big loads of dirt up on hills, and we drive over the hills and for basically constructing roads and things of that nature.
Instructor Bill, can you tell us about some of the technology you use in construction?
Yes, I can. We use satellites. When you take the satellites, we'll tell people how to grade their roads nowadays. Most highways are actually graded with a satellite, not by eye anymore. You can electronics, the equipment, as you can see, it's more hydraulic now. It used to be ran by cables in the old days. Everything's like on a joystick. It's very much like running a video game. To run the equipment is very much like playing a video game. So there's a lot of electronics involved, a lot of sensors, and there's a lot of lasers involved in using in construction for setting grades and to put your house where it belongs or the highway where it belongs.
Thank you, Instructor Bill.
All right, thank you, Xander, for coming out today.
It's my turn! Let's do it!
We're so excited to be introducing our new Kids Zone. So anyone from the age of 3 to 5, come on down and dig with us and dig this.
Thanks, Kathy.
Yeah! Awesome!
Thank you, Dig This Las Vegas, for letting me explore technology in construction. What type of technology in construction have you seen? Share your comments and pictures in the comments below. Check out this construction kit Dig This Las Vegas gave to me today. Let's look at our Play-doh wheels kit. We have regular Play-doh, our special road Play-doh, the grinder, our dump truck, and this very cool, awesome toy, a road roller. Thank you, Dig This Las Vegas, for my awesome kit. Let's see what we can construct. Look at this road I constructed. If you want a kit like this, check out the links in the description below. Remember, STEM is all around us. Thanks for joining XL STEM Labs for Kids. See you next time.